Okay, so this is the practice problems that have all the theorems in each. Now, in this case, we're not going to complete the congruence statement, but we are going to have to determine whether they're congruent. Some of these may not actually be congruent. Okay, so we're going to have to go through and check it and then say what theorem we use if they're congruent. First one. Okay, we got sides. So we've got these two sides. We've got angles. We've got two angles. And we've got another pair of angles. Okay. Our theorems, our possibilities, SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS, HL. Do we have what we need? Well, we know we've got two pairs of angles and a pair of sides, so it's either going to be ASA or AAS. ASA would mean we have angle, side, angle, angle, side. Oh, but we don't have that side. What we have is a side out here and then two other angles. We have a non-included side and two angles. So that's going to be angle, or we think of it angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. So yes, they're congruent, and the theorem is angle, angle, side. All right, second one. Well, we've got angles, right? This angle goes with this angle. This angle goes with this angle. And we've got that side in the middle, right? We always got to look for that side that's shared by the two triangles. Yeah. So angle, side, angle. So, angle, side, angle. It's important that you go onto the triangle and read it in the order as you go around the triangle, right? Angle, side, angle. Just like this one we did, angle, angle, side. So it's yes, angle, side, angle. Next one. Okay, well, we've got two angles. These two angles are congruent. These are both 90 degrees, so they're congruent. Do we have anything else? Well, we know this, right? We know that these vertical angles are always congruent. It doesn't even have to tell us that. We just know. So, angle, 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 angle. But wait a second. Angle, angle, angle is not one of our theorems. Remember that similarity. Two triangles are similar, but we don't know that they're congruent. They look congruent, but that's not enough. Okay, so no, not congruent. All right, so congruent. We got sides, sides, sides. Oh, yeah, that's easy. Side, side, side. Got our three sides. All right. Congruent, yes or no? Well, we've got a side, right? We've got a side. We've got, wait a second. Do we have another side? No, we don't. Don't see sides where they're not there. Sides, we've got angles. Do we have anything else? We don't have any shared sides. You know, we don't, not like we do in this one, right? We don't have any vertical angles like we did up here, right? That we might not see right away. We've only got a side and angle. There's no theorem that tells us side and angle. You know, that's enough. So no, those aren't congruent. Or at least they may be, but we don't know that they're congruent based on the information. Okay, angles. We've got a pair of angles. Angles. We've got another angle, pair of angles. Sides. Ooh, we have our shared side here. That's going to be congruent to itself. So we've got angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Yes. All right, flipping the paper over. Okay. Is this exactly the same as the one? Yes, it is. We already did this one. I don't know why I put it up there twice. Well, it's still side, side, side. All right. There's a freebie. Okay. Oh, man, we have these two already, too. Yeah, we know. Yeah, this is not going to work, right, because we got angles, we got sides. We already did this one. Mr. Flaherty. Okay. Well, we already did this one, too. Oh, man. Okay. Let's look at this one. Sorry about that. We got, what do we have here? We've got a side and a side. We've got a side and a side. We've got an angle and an angle. Well, what kind of angle is this? It's a right angle. Okay, so now, what are the things we know about right triangles? We can use that special theorem, HL. That tells us if the hypotenuses are congruent. Okay, this one, yeah. And one pair of legs is congruent. So this leg and this leg, yes, that works. We've got hypotenuse, we've got leg, so it's HL. That's our theorem. That's our only two-letter theorem. Okay. All right. This is the third time I put this problem on here. Okay, they're still not congruent. I apologize. Mr. Remchuk's going to laugh at me for that. Okay, you're probably laughing at me now. That's fine. Let's do it. Okay, so what about this one? I haven't seen this one before. Sides. Got sides. Keep going around. I got angles. 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 Oh, wait a second. Then I got sides and sides. Something funny in this picture. Can you see what it is? Well, first of all, they may be congruent, but here it goes side, angle, side. Here it goes side, side, angle. They're not in the same order. It doesn't work then. We can't say that they are not, we don't know that they're congruent. They may be congruent. They certainly look congruent. But we don't have enough information here because we don't have it. If we go side, angle, side, then we would have to go side, angle, side here. We'd need to know that this angle and this angle, that those two were congruent. Okay. Last one. Okay, what kind of triangle do we have here? Well, we got right triangles. So let's think right triangle, we think hypotenuse leg, right? Well, we also know this guy right here is congruent to itself. We've got that shared sides. We're used to some of this stuff. We've got our angles. Okay, so hypotenuse leg would tell us if we have the hypotenuses congruent and the legs congruent, then the triangles are congruent. Hypotenuses. So hypotenuse is wait a second. Here's the hypotenuse here, opposite the right angle. And here's the hypotenuse here, opposite this right angle. Does it tell us if they're congruent? No. So we can't use HL because we don't have the H's. What do we have? We have sides, this side and this side. We've got angles, right? I mean, we may not be able to use the right triangles, but we can still use the fact that, like, the right angle and the right angle are congruent. So we've got angles. Oh, and then we have another side. Oh, so this one, they are congruent, but it's SAS, not HL. That one's a little tricky. I apologize for the repeat problems there, but you get the idea. Okay.